Hi, friends. Welcome once again to the next part of our parenting skills. And it is quite fascinating to know that being a parent is something like a blessed moment. And we need to check out to our segment of how best we can deliver to the child who has come to our life. So we need to teach them survival skills in a big way. Life is full of surprises. You never know what comes next. Therefore, make your child ready for various circumstances. For instance, teach them what to do when earthquakes come or when stranger approaches alike. Let them learn you are certainly more knowledgeable than your child, but their child is not ignorant. He is living in the Google world. He has his own intelligence. Let him learn things in his own particular way. The more they learn, the more they earn in life with honor, respect, and recognition. Nurture your child's responsibility factor with natural spirituality as well. Let your child grow naturally into his own spiritual understanding. Let him learn from his surroundings. Practice experiential learning with the kids above all. And don't meddle. Do you like people meddling in your own business? No way. You have your own way of doing it. Certainly not. All age groups of children, they love to do things on their own. A child has his own world. Don't create an atmosphere of meddling at all. And make sure that you create a supporting atmosphere at home. Do you want your child to live in fear? Never, of course. Create an atmosphere where the child can do what he wants. Letting him do whatever he wants does not mean that the child is allowed to commit wrongs all the very time. Let the child be free. The thinking that you are his parent and you will never harm him and has given birth to the thought that you should control your kids. Too much control is not good at all. Give them true love. True love is not connected with showering your child with kisses or giving everything your child wants. True love means you are doing what is best for him, remember. And above all, create a loving atmosphere. If you are harsh on your child, he will never trust you. He might even hate you. Never ever compare your one child with the other. Each child is a creative genius. And teach your kids about taxes. Eat 30% of their ice cream. And when I'm throwing a huge tantrum, I know that my dad is going to call me. And of course, all I need is a big hug. That's the requisite. Don't boss around. Do this, do that. Don't judge the child from an ivory tower. Instead, sit below the child and try to understand his mind in a big, big way. Make yourself attractive. If you can attract your child, he'll like you. When he likes you, he will follow you. He'll love you. He'll care for you. Give love. Take affection. Love is a two-way process. If you want to be loved, you need to give love. Love your child and he'll shower with affection. Respect your child to be respected. Like love, respect is also a two-way process. If you respect your child, the child will certainly respect you and spend quality time. In order to understand your child, you should spend quality time. If you spend quality time, you will also develop a friendship bond with your child, which is very, very required. Manage your stress. Parenting can be very stressful. When you're too much stressed out, you must be a little harsh on the child. Manage your stress so that you don't spew your frustration on the child. And make sure you manage your anger as well. Most of us cannot avoid anger. However, you are with your child, you need to control your anger. If you cannot control your anger, of course, like slamming up the phone, keeping the phone out, throwing the glass out, spraying the water, these things don't work out. The child gets terrified and it's not the good way. You need to develop healthy relationships with your partner as well. A good parent is an individual who also has a good relationship with his or her partner. If you have a healthy relationship, with your spouse, your child will grow in a healthy environment. And above all, give him autonomy. The child is small, yet he has a distinct personality and individuality. Respect his individuality. Let him be independent. You are his parent. You want your child to be best. However, doesn't the child want to do what you want him to do? Encourage the child to become self reliant. Provide them opportunities. Let your child explore his hobbies, interests, and skills by giving him opportunities. Provide a learning environment at home. Don't expect your child to pick up his book and then you switch on the TV and watch. No, no way. You need to explore the possibility, generate good income. Yeah, everybody requires, you need to take care of the child, all his needs and necessities. Save money for the rainy days and save money for the future of the child. You need to explore and have a proper financial planning and the behavior management, which is very much required. You need to incorporate the saving culture and make sure that the existing scenario comes out with the lamination of perfection, right? And not that easy going. Yeah, I agree with you. But the thing is that you need to plan, because if you are failing to plan, you're planning to fail. So with this, let's move to the next segment. And I hope you're enjoying the course. Thank you so very much. God bless. I'll see you next.